Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Ahmad Izzat Najmi bin Othman and my Matric number is 150716. So based on a video that I had shown you before, do you think what I'm going to speak? Yes, that's right. Today I will talk about sports injury, or for more specific, I will discuss types, treatments and prevention of sports injuries. Now let me tell you what is sport injuries. Sport injuries are injuries that happen when engaging in sports or exercises. Sport injuries can happen due to overtraining, lack of conditioning and improper form or technique. Now let's move on to the types and treatments of sports injuries. There are a few types of sports injuries, but today I will discuss only 3 of them. The first one is muscle strain. Muscle strain will happen when a muscle is overstretched and tears. Symptoms of a muscle strain may include pain, swelling, weakness, and difficulty using your muscle. Common signs of muscle strain are muscles in the quadricep, the calf, hamstring, groin, lower back, and shoulder. So what do you need to do when it happened to you? Yes, you can do the RISE technique. RISE stands for rest, ice, compression and elevation. But if you get serious muscle strain, you will require evaluation and treatment by a doctor. The second one is torn ACL. Torn ACL is a very famous injury among athletes, but some people doesn't know what it is. ACL stands for anterior cruciate ligament, and it helps hold the knee joint together and provide stability. A torn ACL is a sports injury that might happen when landing in the wrong way, changing direction, or stopping quickly. People who suffer a torn ACL may hear a pop and then feel their knee no longer functions. Pain, swelling, and loss of range of motion are symptoms of a torn ACL. It may be difficult to walk. A torn ACL needs to be reconstructed surgically, usually using a graft from another ligament in the patient's own body. Significant rehabilitation is necessary to restore the strength and the function of the knee joint after surgery. Next is sprained ankle. Well, for this injury, I think most people have experienced it. A sprained ankle happens when the ligament that support the joint become overstretched. Ankle sprain may happen when playing sports or doing everyday activities. Stepping wrong on an uneven surface or stepping in a way that twists or rolls the foot may lead to ankle sprain. Sprain and the pain they cause may range from mild to severe. Yes, you also can use the RISE technique, but if it's serious, may require a brace or cast for several weeks to facilitate healing. Now, let's move on to the prevention of sports injuries. Number 1, what you need to do is use proper equipment. For sports like cycling or skating, you need to use protective equipment like helmets, pads, and shoes. It is very important for injury prevention. If you are lifting or doing exercises like gymnastics, make sure the equipment is in good condition. Many people got injured because the equipment was so old and rusty. Number 2 is warm up properly. Jumping out of the car and onto the field or court is a good way to get hurt actually. Muscles need time to warm up. Protect them by letting them adjust to sudden movements, long strides or fast cuts. Please, at least do light cardio and stretch before any practice or games. Lastly is don't exercises when you are injured. This is a really important one. If you love sports, it's tempting to get right back in the game even after an injury. But playing when you are hurt is a bad idea. It can lead to an even worse injury, one that might sideline you for a long time. So, as a conclusion, whatever you do, please take care of yourself. Try as hard as possible to prevent injury, but if you get injury, please get treatment as soon as possible. I want to say this, but I hope you don't misunderstanding me trying to promote the BTS album, okay?
Okay.
I want to say love yourself. I think that's all from me. Thank you.